We obsess over what we eat but rarely ask, when should we eat? For most of human history, food wasn't always available. Our bodies adapted to cycles of feasting and fasting. Today, constant snacking and late-night meals disrupt this natural rhythm. Intermittent fasting isn't about what's on your plate, it's about when you eat. By creating daily or weekly windows for eating and fasting, you give your body a break from digestion and a chance to repair. It's not a radical fad, but a return to how our bodies evolved to function best. The beauty, flexibility. You choose the fasting pattern that fits your life. Whether it's 16 hours daily or a full day once a week, the principle is the same. Let your body rest, repair, and thrive. Sometimes the simplest changes, like when you eat, can have the biggest impact. The 16-8 method is a popular, sustainable way to start intermittent fasting. Fast for 16 hours, eat during an 8-hour window. Much of the fast happens while you sleep. For example, eat from noon to 8 p.m., then fast until the next day at noon. Water, black coffee, and unsweetened tea are allowed during the fast to help curb hunger. You control your eating window, shift it earlier or later to fit your schedule. No calorie counting or food group restrictions, just focus on timing. This gentle approach makes fasting feel natural, not restrictive. A small shift in routine, big benefits for your body and mind. When you fast, your body shifts gears. Insulin drops, unlocking fat stores for energy, turning you into a fat-burning machine. This switch not only helps with weight loss, but also stabilizes energy and improves metabolic health. On a deeper level, fasting triggers autophagy, your cell's way of cleaning out old, damaged parts. Think of it as a biological spring cleaning, linked to disease prevention and longevity. Fasting also boosts human growth hormone, preserving muscle while you lose fat. The result? Burn fat, protect muscle, and renew your body from the inside out. These powerful shifts make intermittent fasting more than a diet. It's a metabolic upgrade. Your body does the hard work, you just give it the time. The benefits of intermittent fasting go far beyond weight loss. Improved insulin sensitivity means better blood sugar control and lower diabetes risk. Fasting may boost brain health, reduce inflammation, and improve heart health markers. It simplifies life. Fewer meals to plan, more time and energy for what matters. Autophagy, triggered by fasting, helps your body stay resilient and youthful. The cumulative effect? More energy, sharper focus, and a longer, healthier life. Intermittent fasting isn't just a weight loss tool, it's a strategy for total well-being. Sometimes less really is more. Intermittent fasting works best when done mindfully. Don't overeat during your eating window. Focus on nutritious, satisfying meals. Stay hydrated. Water, black coffee, and herbal teas help curb hunger and keep you feeling good. Break your fast gently with balanced meals. Avoid heavy, processed foods. Listen to your body's cues, not just the clock. Combine fasting with a healthy diet, regular movement, and good sleep. Fasting isn't a free pass to ignore other healthy habits. Use it as a tool to support your body's natural rhythms. With the right approach, intermittent fasting can be a sustainable, transformative part of your health journey.